Who are you shooting for?
Thank you so much. For Miha.
Oh my God, can you
Yeah.
please give me a twirl in this beautiful outfit? Oh my God, did you capture that? Well, let's dive into the questions now.
Yeah,
So, starting off with the harsh reality of this industry basically. So basically there are beauty standards that are set in this industry. I feel like a lot of faces in fashion today are starting to look very similar. The same features, the same enhancements, the same idea of what's considered beautiful. और उसके दौरान जो हमारी rawness होती है ना, जो identity होती है, that's lost somewhere. What do you have to say about it?
That's actually true because
Yeah.
you know I don't mind if people want to look in a certain way if they like it. ठीक है,
Yeah.
that's perfect. But like to objectify it और जब आप किसी चीज़ को एक label दे देते हैं कि नहीं ये प्यारी चीज़ है ये प्यारी नहीं है. No, I don't think so. आपके जो भी natural features होते हैं जैसे आप naturally दिखते हैं. You should enjoy that. You should be confident in that. That's beauty.
लेकिन अभी वी हैव सीन पीपल सेइंग कि जी आजकल सारी मॉडल एक जैसी दिखना शुरू हो गई हैं बिकॉज वो एक जैसे प्रोसीजर्स करा रही हैं, सेम ही डॉक्टर्स हैं, सेम ही सब कुछ है. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट इट? पहले यही लोग होते हैं जो आपको कहते हैं कि ये करा लो तो ये ठीक हो जाएगा, ये करा लो तो ये ठीक हो जाएगा, लेकिन फिर उसके बाद दे आर ऑब्जेक्टिफाइंग ऑन द वेरी सेम थिंग्स.
अच्छा, आई वोंट से कि इट्स रियली इजी, कोई कुछ भी कहता है तो बस ठीक है, एक कान से सुनो दूसरे से निकाल दो. फॉर सम पीपल आसान होता है.
हाँ,
कुछ लोगों के लिए नहीं होता, हर कोई डिफरेंट होता है. तो आई थिंक अगर कोई कुछ करा लेता है और बाद में उस चीज़ को रिग्रेट करता है, उसमें भी कोई इतनी बुरी बात नहीं है. लाइक पीपल
It's an experience. I think it's an experience, yeah.
इफ समबडी वांट्स टू डू इट, लेट देम डू इट. देख लें करके क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता. बस मुझ पे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लाइक
अच्छा, बस have you ever been told to change something about yourself, be it your weight, your skin, your hair, your personality even, like to fit what the industry wanted at that moment? Like, did you ever do that to yourself?
कहाँ से लाए हो सवाल?
बस बहन इंडस्ट्री में रह के सीखा है.
Like, हाँ, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे कभी किसी ने नहीं कहा कि कुछ ऐसा कर लो. फ्रेंडली वे में भी वैसे भी नॉर्मली मैं इतने सारे लोगों से मिलती हूँ रोज.
हाँ.
तो कहते हैं व्हाई डोंट यू चेंज योर हेयर कलर, सुनो कुछ चेंज कर लो, तुम 6-7 सालों से एक ही तरह से दिखती हो एंड ऑल दैट. सो मैं उस चीज़ को कभी नेगेटिव नहीं लेती, मैं कभी लड़ती नहीं हूँ उनसे, लेकिन मुझे नहीं कराना तो नहीं कराना.
लेकिन अभी तुम एक और बात भी देखो, देयर इज लॉबी सिस्टम इन आवर सोसाइटी, स्पेशली इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, बट यू आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ एनी लॉबी. ठीक है, तुम हर तरह का काम करती हो विद एवरीबडी. व्हाई?
क्योंकि मेरा काम है. मैं
तुम्हें लगता है लॉबीज और ग्रुप्स बनाना इज द राइट थिंग एंड दैट्स राइट वे टू गो फॉरवर्ड?
स्टूपिड.
या
आई मीन जैसे बचपन में होता था ये मेरा दोस्त है तो मैं इससे बात नहीं कर सकती.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
Why are you talking to my friend? I don't like you talking to that person. These things are very childish.
This is work. This is like, you know, yeah, this is not professional.
मेरी actually personal life में भी ऐसे नहीं है. Like even my friends can't say that to me.
Perfect,
That don't
I
talk to that
understand.
person, don't talk to that person. So yeah.
So there is a lot of conversation about mental health now. But modeling is an industry which is built around being judged. Constantly judged, right? How do you stop other people's opinion from becoming your own inner voice?
Well, that's like a very big thing. किसी और का opinion मेरी कभी inner voice नहीं हो सकता. Like how is that possible?
मतलब you are getting this constant pressure on yourself. आपको एक बार एक चीज़ सुनने को मिल रही है.
सुनने को तो देखें, सुनने को बहुत चीज़ें मिलती हैं रोज़.
हाँ.
और बहुत अजीबो-गरीब भी मिलती हैं. हमेशा नहीं, अच्छी भी मिलती हैं चीज़ें सुनने के लिए. लेकिन ये तो काम है, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे.
लोगों का काम है
कहना. So no, मैं अपने सर पे इस तरह की कोई चीज़ नहीं लेती.
But what's that one most brutal rejection you have ever faced? And looking back, you are like, अच्छा हुआ वो हो गया, जान छुट्टी.
Rejection, हाँ, I've been told that you should never try walking on the ramp.
But you have done it so many times.
Now, but like,
and you do such nice ramp walks, like we have seen you.
तब आती भी नहीं थी तो किसी ने ऐसे बहुत harshly मुझे बोल दिया. I remember I actually cried after that. Like not like cry, but like I was weeping. I cried. So yeah,
Obviously that
it
happened.
actually kind of broke
It's
my
very
heart at that
condescending and
time.
demeaning, bro.
But then I never stopped doing it. मैंने नहीं सुनी.
And you
तो
do
बात.
you, man. Like wow, and
I
you are
mean-
here shining bright.
I think कोई भी सीखे तो वो सीख सकता है. ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है. Yeah.
And now you are literally the OG showstopper of many shows we see happening.
You're very kind. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no,
Thank you so much.
that's true. So, fashion talks a lot about inclusivity today. But behind closed doors, we still hear things like कि जी हमें लड़की लंबी चाहिए, गोरी चाहिए, पतली चाहिए, like you know things like these. Do you think the industry has genuinely become more inclusive, or have we just become better at marketing the idea of inclusivity?
I mean like it's not something which is very common now. I think ये चीज़ हमेशा से होती आई है, होती है और होती रहेगी.
तुम्हें लगता है ये रुकना चाहिए?
Of course रुकना चाहिए.
Did you guys ever stood up to this?
नहीं,
You
not
guys
like
can't
that. I
actually.
mean, like different people have different opinions.
हर किसी की preferences होती
Yes,
हैं ना यार.
different preferences, different likes and different dislikes. So we cannot say anything about it.
टिश्यू
but
लेकर आओ, आके साफ करो.
मुझे दे दें टिश्यू, ऐसे ही दे दें. ये तो चलता रहता है. हाथों पे जंग है, सर पे पसीना है.
See, it's not glamorous, guys. My next question is gonna be about that.
Yeah.
So, Abhi, tell me honestly, इतनी गर्मी में भी your skin is shining. What's the secret behind this? Don't tell me बस जरा सा लगता है मैं पानी बहुत ज़्यादा पीती हूँ.
नहीं, पानी मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिलता पानी पीने
फिर
का.
क्या
एक
करती
शॉट
हो?
के बाद दूसरा शॉट. अभी हम इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं, पीछे से भी 3 आवाज़ें आ रही हैं. हम
I know, bro.
So नहीं, पहली तो बात है पसीना है,
हाँ.
जिसकी वजह से मुंह चमक रहा है. दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि ख्याल रखती हूँ स्किन का.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
I'm glad. Would you want to tell that one secret skincare product?
So my skin is extremely dry.
हाँ.
ये बहुत dry skin है, so there's always like a good moisturizer and sunblock, like
With
lots
sunscreen.
of it. Lots of it.
With sunscreen.
Yes.
Beauty of Jasan?
Yeah.
I have seen it.
But for the dry skin, it
Yeah.
has too. But like I use the
Beauty of Jasan one.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have won multiple awards अभी तक ना, बहुत ज़्यादा awards जीते हैं तुमने for best model and everything. Yeah. हर बहन हर category में तुमने जीता हुआ है. Lux वगैरह में, हम में and everything. So are you excited कि Sunday में भी you are gonna win? Are you looking forward to it?
I won't say कि नहीं, so एक दफ़ा award मिल जाता है तो वो खुशी खत्म हो जाती है. That's a lie.
You want it again and again.
If you you know like if you get the appreciation for the work you do,
Yeah.
that's the best thing ever.
हाँ,
आपको appreciation
I
मिलती है,
know.
बहुत अच्छा
Because
लगता
यार
है.
इतनी मेहनत करते हैं ना इतनी गर्मी में, bro, I am literally sweating. I am all red, guys. Look at me.
I'm so sorry that you had to come all
No,
the way
no, it's
here.
okay. It's okay.
Guys.
Anything for you, love. Anything for you. अच्छा, अभी some models come alive in bridal shoots. Some have this very editorial vibe to them. Some are very comfortable in Eastern and Western. What's your vibe? कौन सा ऐसा persona है जिसके अंदर you think I am the most Abir?
I'm the most Abir.
Yeah,
I personally think in Desi,
yeah.
like the outfit I'm wearing right
Can
now.
you please show us around? Oh my God, sir. You feel most alive in this.
Yes, most likely because like I'm a very Bollywood kind of person, so I enjoy this.
What's your most favorite Bollywood song?
No, there's a lot. आज
एक
सुन
बताओ
रही हूँ,
कोई.
मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत है. So like it keeps on
Yeah,
rotating.
love that.
वही घूमती रहती है.
Love that.
Yeah.
So modeling is one of the most glamorized professions. जिसना मैंने अभी कहा, like we are sweating here and everything.
Yeah.
So people see the runways, they see the campaigns, the beautiful pictures, but they rarely see what happens behind the scenes, right? जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं भाई. What's the biggest misconception about this industry that you wish people would stop believing in?
Like it's not like all the time. It's not glamour. It's not fun. It's not easy.
Yeah,
It's a lot of pain.
yeah.
It is a lot of pain. But the end result is always like really good.
Chalo, I'm
so,
glad.
Yeah. And it's my work. I enjoy it, so no complaints.
I'm glad. If you could change one thing about the modeling industry tomorrow, what would that be?
Like
मतलब
perfect
एक चीज़-
timings, please.
Punctual हो जाए
Punctuality,
सारे.
yeah.
This is not like, you know, a thing in the industry.
I mean, like
कहीं भी नहीं
it's
है,
not
I
with
get
it's not with all of them, not with everybody, but like ये होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए. It's important.
अब तो मुझे आदत हो गई है.
Yeah.
So मैं कुछ कहती नहीं हूँ, but for the new people, it's kind of difficult.
So like, there are probably a lot of young girls who want to be model, yeah, who want to model actually for a lot of brands.
Yeah.
One suggestion that you would want to give them that nobody was out there to give you actually back then when you started your career.
So
एक suggestion that तुम
it's
उनका
always
देना.
in your hands.
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do? कितनी दूर तक आप जा सकते हैं, कैसा आप काम कर सकते हैं, आपने जहाँ तक भी जाना है, जैसा काम करना है, जो भी लाइक आपने ज़िंदगी में करना है, कोई दूसरा भी आपको ये नहीं बता सकता कि ये करेंगे तो ये होगा, ये करेंगे तो ये होगा. नो, आपको ब्रेन मिला है, आपको
Use
दिमाग
it
दिया है अल्लाह ताला ने,
wisely.
प्लीज़ यूज़ इट.
And you're gonna outshine.
Yes.
Like she
And
did.
be confident. Be confident.
And keep on working hard, I think. So that's very important
Hard work
as well.
though is always
It's
the key.
mandatory, I think
Yes.
so.
उसके बगैर कुछ नहीं है.
Thank you so much,
कुछ
Abhi.
नहीं है हार्ड वर्क के बगैर. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Abhi. It was lovely talking to
lovely.
you. Please go inside the vanity. It's very hot outside.
Thank you
Let's
so
go.
much. Bye. Take care.